Hi everyone! Today we will exercise legs and arms again. Today's exercise is called lunges. Okay, watch me what I'm gonna do and try to do the same. Okay, you hold baby in front of you like that, and you step with one leg back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Or you can switch your legs like that. Do one, another switch, switch. You can add your arms by lifting baby up and down. And you can also do it by stepping to the side, like that. Side, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Switch side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. You can do a few sets of 10 throughout the day. 10 or 15. You can do sets, 3 sets, 10 for 10, 15. And that will be great exercise for you. And your baby will get some playing, bouncing in the air. Bye!